So we understand how difficult overheating problems can be to diagnose, how frustrating that can be for people experiencing overheating problems. So we thought it'd be best to share this with you as an example. And this is from a customer called randomly looking for a diagnosis or a repair for an overheating problem. So what we eventually found with the car, what the car needed was a head gasket and major engine repair, unfortunately. But watch and see how the process unfolds. 2005 Toyota Corolla, overheating, suspected coolant leaks. So we're just gonna top this off with some water. It appears to be mostly full. All right, so the first thing when an overheating problem is suspected, check off the obvious. Is it missing water? If it's missing water, does it have leaks? 2005 Corolla, overheating. Top it off with some water. Pressurize the system. It's topped off. So. Seems to be holding pressure pretty good. Actually, could be worse. Water. All right. So I made my final assessment, pressurized the system, and I'm running the car now, and it's got a blown head gasket. We're running it right now, and it'll overheat after a few minutes. Usually when they're overheated, when they're that bad, when you can smell the gases in the radiator, the overheating actually happens pretty fast. And so I'm gonna walk this stuff back to my car, and I'm gonna be right back. So yeah, I was called out on this car. Customer wanted the thermostat done. After talk, we found out the car was overheating. After a little more information about the circumstances around the car and what's been going on, work that's been done recently and stuff like that, I suggested that we do some testing on the cooling system because I suspected that there was a blown head gasket. And so today I've run some tests real quick and I've confirmed what I believe to be a head gasket. I haven't started this car and ran it till it overheated, but it's full of coolant right now. I've pressurized the system so there's no leaks, and I can smell exhaust gases in the radiator. So I'm convinced that it's got a blown head gasket.